Hello everyone, this is Trinity here and welcome to a brand new video. Today it was long hair. It's been a while since I did a facecam sort of video. How many years? Link could be up there somewhere. It's my last one. Today I'll be building my brand new PC, which will also be linked for the previous build, which I did about 2 years ago. We'll be using a AMD Ryzen 7 5800X. ASUS ROG Strix B550E gaming motherboard, the Gigabyte RTX 3060 Ti Gaming Pro OC. Very lucky to get one of these. I bought it back in December, about a month after their release or so. For the cooling, using the ASUS ROG 240 liquid cooler. For power, the Corsair CX650F 650W RGB power supply, Corsair MP600 core SSD, and Corsair Vengence RGB Pro memory, which is running DDR4 3600 megahertz with the cast latency AT. We're running 32 gigs. Yes, I got two kits. I know that's bad, but oh well. And for the case, the Corsair 4000X iCue RGB case. So yeah, let's get. Now I have got my old system in this case because I bought this case a short while ago. I just want to put everything in because, you know, we'll have a play with it. Because I can, I was bored because of lockdown. Okay, so let's start the build. We've got the motherboard in this box here. Welcome to the Republic. Yes, very nice. Plop that there. And we've got the beauty that it is cable bits and bobs, docks and other stuff, and stickers and all that. Whoops, lovely goodness. I have already got the SSD installed into this slot here, which is the PCIe Gen 4 slot. This one's only PCIe Gen 3, because I was having a look at the heatsink, so I took it off. Because the Corsair MP600 series did come with a heatsink, and I took that off because I didn't want to use it. So let's get the very nice, didn't break. It's a good peel. Ah, get off! Get in the bin. In my personal opinion, these big boxes are an absolute waste of space. Let's turn the because look, there's nothing in there. It's literally just the CPU. Whoops, and silica gel, and the booklet. So there we are, our lovely AMD goodness, Ryzen 7 5800X. Very nice. Finds the gold pin, which you can just see there. We line it up with the pin on the socket. Now I've never done this one-handed, so I am scared. So lift this arm up, gently. Oh, I'm scared. We are, that's good. It's in place. And in position. We are good to go. We are good. It is installed. Yeah. I've got it started. Yay. All in, yep, there we go. Ow. Shelf. So yeah, that is all the RAM in. We've got the SSD in. Don't need to bother about that. Now, I'd say we get the cooler. Should probably tie my hair up, but oh well. But here we are with the Ryuo 240. Ryuo, I don't know. Very nice. the Gigabyte RTX 3060 Gaming Pro OC with a new wind force. There's just these little rakes thing on there. Yeah, it's RGB, that logo there. Just the side of it. And we've got display ports, and HDMI. I don't know what versions of each of them are, I'll probably put them down below. But let's get the clip there. Okay, so I've got the screws in for the fans. Now it's time to cable manage and plug everything in, which will be a pain to say the least, because it's a lot more cables than I'm used to. So the camera just up there, just finished plugging in. There we are. All the cables, because I lost where some of the cables went. So we now have everything plugged in. Whoop. That's a screwdriver. Hello. So it's not amazing cable management, but it will do. Yeah. Not as much of a bulge. Well, it's nowhere near as much. Right, I have cable managed it. Left the front panel off just in case I need to unplug it. So I've turned the power supply on. Oh, hello. So I've got the nice RGB ring there. ASUS logo. Oh, that's cool. It's got like an underglow. And the Strix logo down here that you can't really see because the graphics card's in the way. But not to worry. Let's just press the button. Hey! First time. Oh, so it's upside down. That screen. Whoopsie. I'll have to turn that round. Okay, everything's posted. It's doing its thing down there. Postcode 02. Well, we've got a display. American Megatrends. So it has boot correctly. Press F1 to set up. So it's got the latest BIOS version, so that's good. Yay, UEFI BIOS. It posted. Yeah, I'll fix that screen, hello, because it is upside down. I found it. So memory frequency, we want to do, oh God's sake. 3600. Windows.
Let's get things done. No. Hi. Hello.
Hi.
We're getting everything ready for you. How kind.
Yay! It did it! So this is about a month later after using the PC, so just quickly editing the video now. And you can see it's pretty great. Just on my phone quickly. It's got the screen set up just to show the information about the pump and the CPU frequency. We've got it booted up to 4.7. Decent temperature at very low. As you can hear, it's very quiet, which is absolutely amazing. And yeah, it's got it all set up. I've got the RGB all lovely. And yeah, it's a pretty good PC. I just wish I had, different fans, and now I'm wishing I went with the NZXT cooler instead, because it has the full thing there rather than just part of the screen. But yeah, it's very good. Everything's all working. I got that, I think, turned off in settings or something in the BIOS. A little bit dirty, as you can see there, but it's very easy to clean, which is pretty darn good. Hey, AMD Ryzen 7 5800X, ASUS ROG Strix B550E gaming motherboard, the Gigabyte RTX 3060 Ti gaming Pro OC. That's a bit bulky. Uh-oh.